Thanks! Hello everyone! So today I'm going to unbox this ZNT Soundbass True Wireless Earbuds. So if you guys have not heard of ZNT, it's actually a China brand. They've been around for 3 years and they actually specialize in wireless earphones. So let's get unboxing and take a look at what's inside the box. So with this adapter, you can actually use your wireless earbuds case as a power bank. All you need to do is attach your own phone charging cable. Attach the cable to the case. And then plug it into your phone. It's being charged. What I really like about this ZNT Soundbass is the sound quality. It's actually comparable to the more premium wireless earbuds. I also like the fact that this wireless earbuds has the function to adjust the volume just by tapping. So to increase the volume, just double tap on the left earbud. And to decrease the volume, double tap on the right earbud. You can also play or pause the music with a single tap. And to skip to the next or previous song, just press on the earbuds for 2 seconds. Lastly, you can activate Siri or the voice assistant by tapping 3 times. It's also IPX7 waterproof up to a depth of 1 meter and for 30 minutes. So if you are wondering where you can get this ZNT Soundbass True Wireless Earbuds, you can actually get it from our local marketplace at $48.90 with free shipping and free agent fee. So that's all for our unboxing video. For more wireless earbuds, you can check out our True Wireless Magna collection.